Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the price chart of Tantech holdings. Now if you are looking at this particular highlighted section right now, you can see the stock has been consolidating after a big fall, and then there is a range breakout. I am going to say a range breakout because the stock has been moving, even it is for a very short amount of time. So the stock has been moving in between 0.45 and 0.55 or 0.56, and now you can see how this stock has moved quite significantly beyond 0.55 and closed substantially higher from that level. So let us discuss about the price chart of Tantech Holding Limited. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what I have shown you is the current price structure, right? But what we need to know, or what you need to know, is what or how the chart looks like in the overall context, and for that we are going to check out the long-term chart. So now you can see how the current price action looks like, but in the context of overall chart, let me zoom in a bit. So here we are. Okay, so there has been a big trend breakdown that has happened as far as this stock was concerned, or the range was concerned. Let me show it to you. So for Tantech Holdings Limited, although we can see a sharp price move right now, but the range has already broken down, and you can see the stock is trading significantly lower. So your previous range was in between 8.35 on the downside and 27 and 39 on the upside. So right now, because it is sustaining above 0.55 quite comfortably, what we want to do here is we are going to consider 0.55 as our stop loss. We are not going to wait for the stock to go back to 44 cents this time, or 45 cents, and what we will look for, if only the stock successfully sustain above 0.55, what we are going to look for is 1.73 and 2.29, right? These are going to be our first two targets, and then we have two more to look at. We have 3.78 and we have 5.4, and probably the big target is going to be 8.35. Now what I have told you is the optimistic scenario, but if you are looking at the overall price chart, so right now what we can see here is a trading bounce back, or an attempt at least to hold on to the price, but this could be very risky. If you do not understand what to do and what are the risks involved with that, it would be better if you just ignore it rather than try to catch it when the stock has already been falling quite a lot, and then you will have just a small bounce back. So this can be big, but market need to be helpful. The stock must have momentum. So there are lots of conditions. Right now it is indeed showing trading bounce back, but whether this will actually be a trading bounce back or it just a one day wonder, so that is yet to be seen. But the risk in this case is very high, so please be very careful before taking this kind of trade. And yes, if the momentum comes back, because the way the stock has fallen is quite dramatic and very volatile, so the momentum on the upside will be equally sharp, but you need to be very shrewd and disciplined while taking this kind of trade. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.